What up, players? Welcome back to a new video. First one this year, should be 2026, guys. I have a few other videos stacked up from last year that just never got to editing, but those will be coming out soon. We just been real busy, guys, so haven't really been able to get any content, but it's time to finish the Nova finally. So when I say finish, I mean finish the outside. I know I got all this old rubber and stuff sitting on the car and no felt or nothing for the windows, so I'm gonna be slowly trying to put this thing together. I got all my glass over here for the back quarter window, I guess you call it, and the door, both doors. So 4 pieces of glass right there. I got these fucking guys over here to fucking help me out. Will and his fucking twin brother Rafa.
Just get it like right as we.
All right, guys, we accidentally just did the whole job without showing you guys, but we just
New old stock, $200,000.
$200,000. We know we got. So basically, we just rolled the window all the way up.
So does the new one have the rollers there, or what? How does it work?
No, we got to put that same frame channel on the new glass.
Tape?
Yeah, I have setting tape. Okay, so basically, we rolled the window all the way up, and since I don't have the corner window in, I was able to just flop it out this way and slide it out of the tracks. I'll show you guys on the other side once we do it, but it's pretty simple than what I thought. But now maybe the hard part is putting this channel on the new glass. All right, so this is gonna be the eBay glass. Pretty good stuff here. All right, guys, this is our first attempt here, fucking removing this. He just broke my glass there. I was gonna sell on eBay for original Nova parts, but this is a great shot of the mini fridge, by the way. Basically, that's how it's done.
Alright, Bob's your...
Damn, that shit went all the way down, huh?
Yeah.
Actually did good. So now we just gotta take out the old setting tape. And I have some of the new setting tape that I used for the corner windows here. You guys watched that video. And so I'm gonna use this one. It's the same thickness. Forgot what it was. Mentioned in the other video, I believe. Anyways, that went a lot smoother than I thought. So now hopefully the install portion of this,
because I'm doing it,
it's just as good. We have a professional. Now I'm gonna just clean this up, make sure it's dry, because obviously it looks fucking disgusting in there. And we'll be installing this on the window.
Slides in, slides out. Wax on, wax off. Does it look the same to you?
Same.
Same, but different.
So we got the new glass, we found the bottom, and we get the setting tape. We're gonna put a few pieces of tape to hold it in place like this. And then we're going to see
in the middle too?
If the new glass with this new setting tape
fits.
Is too loose in that channel. If it is, then we're gonna need some thicker setting tape. So we're gonna try this out, and hopefully it's a snug fit, and we're good to go.
Put it back down a little bit.
Anyways, I just want to show you guys. We put the setting tape and it worked. We just trimmed it all up, so everything's nice.
I'm trying to do it slowly, so don't. Let me control the glass. You just hold that. You got it.
Go down on this side, Will? Oh no, you do gotta go all the way across.
No, it's fine.
There you go.
Yeah.
Alright, now hold it. Let me roll down the window. How's that color look?
Look at that, brother.
Yeah, man.
With the power of friendship. Isn't there a gasket?
Let me just tell you something here, brother. I'm 2 steps ahead of you.
Okay. I understand.
With today's proud sponsor, Precision Premium Quality Weather Stripping, we're able to make this video, bring it to you guys here today. Precision Premium Quality Weather Stripping, brought to you by Precision Premium Quality Weather Stripping.
Are you getting paid every time you say their name or what? Every time you say their name, he gets a new gasket.
I'm gonna do like a drinking episode. Every time I say Precision. They literally send me one of everything, so.
Some of the best?
Basically, these guys are the best guys right here. I just don't know which is what. So, I actually need to install this rubber that goes along here, and
the one that goes
along in here.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I do. I do need one of them.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's find that out.
All right, we'll be back after we figure out.
After these messages.
We figure out these gaskets.
Can you fucking grow up, dude? Alright, so we're gonna actually install the whole window frame felt first on the inside. Then we're gonna scoot the glass into place and we're gonna try to fit in the little wing window, which we also just got. Let me see the felt on there, Rafa. We just got this installed all along the side. This is where the window is gonna fucking slide up and down. And it's gonna take 3 bolts to mount this thing. 1, 2, 3. It's gonna mount in these 3 holes here. What the fuck is up right now, guys? We're back. Right, new windows. Yesterday we didn't show every step, but now we know how to do it. So now we're gonna show you guys. Look. So we're gonna roll up the window, and we're just gonna slide out the track first, because we still gotta install a new window in this track. So if you look right here, you can see what exactly we're gonna slide out of, and we'll just scratch the shit out of it. So that's okay, because it's an old window, right? Nah, it's not the old paint though. All right, now tilt up. See how it's coming out? All right, that was the easiest part. That's how you fucking do it.
Now we trade white boys.
This is sponsored by Jags.
Jags.
Got all these fucking foods just taking up space in here.
Cheers.
Pointed at the biggest food.
All these foods is just me.
I need way better lighting in here because we can't even see what the fuck's going on.
One fucking light bulb. Phone for 5 minutes, the music been out the whole time.
Leave a comment about Will's dogs, guys. I'm gonna just clean this up a little bit of the inside and then slap the new one. Where's your screwdriver at?
You just had it in your hand.
Yeah, that one doesn't fit.
That's what she said.
The slow pan over.
Like the office. That's what she said.
Alright guys, so we got the other window set up now. I got the glass setting tape here, and we just have some like masking tape holding it up. I think I showed you guys this part yesterday, but we're just gonna slide the new rail in and smack it down with the hammer so it sits good. Then we're gonna rip off all the tape. So I'm gonna get to doing that, and I'll update you guys right
You
now.
gotta show the help though. Show the help.
It's a live audience. We do like sitcoms here now. You don't get sitcoms.
Round of applause.
Round of applause, guys.
Laugh, Will. Laugh, Will.
Laugh track.
Laugh track. Really well, that's what you have.
Alright, we're sponsored by Jags too now, guys.
But like, cause I got that.
It's best if you use a mallet, but we don't have one.
Will, that's the wrong side of the fucking hammer, dude.
Metalworker.
That's enough, brother. That's enough.
I can't wait for this to be done.
So we'll fucking play ping pong
We still
upside
have to do
down.
the back. And God knows how the fuck those are gonna come out.
Yeah, that's probably not getting done tonight.
That's it, not.
What the fuck is going on?
I'm sorry, Will.
Oh my God.
Open all the way?
Bro.
Alright. This is where?
God damn. Fucking wheezing back there. Now this fool can't fucking breathe.
Why? Now shut out? Oh, it's the best noise ever.
Over there, bro.
Somebody move that fucking calendar under it.
We got the whole fucking essay calendar.
Hey, give me that fucking green stick over there. Fucking
None of this shit's gonna fucking
hurry the fuck up, go!
You got that shit, fool? That stick that's right there. Busy. Thanks, Will.
Now you guys are fucking friends. He wasn't even posting fucking the YouTube clip, fool. He wasn't making famous.
Who's clip farming right now?
Hold the light right, hold the light right, hold the light.
Bro, it cannot be that funny, bro. This was fucking slapping his knee over here.
What a mean, fellas. Cancer. Fucking bastard.
What are you? Where are you?
Wow.
Man, don't worry about where the
All of a sudden, hey, all of a sudden he's with
Some show his
Bernie.
face.
So what, you're not coming over?
Yeah, ugly son of a bitch.
Oh, thanks, bro. I know everyone keeps telling me.
Son of a bitch.
Are you coming or what?
I'm going to the bar with my homie right now.
Oh.
Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy when your homie's right here.
All right, players. This is our third day on this stupid project of trying to get the windows installed. As you can see, it looks nice and nice and wet. Everything.
Moist.
This whole side is kind of complete just for now. I kind of got everything, the seals in without the hardware because we found out that we had hardware after we did everything.
Yeah.
So we got to kind of take it apart. Not too much. You just roll down the window and we could add bolts and stuff to mount it properly. But now, dude, it's literally like a mirror. Oh my God, it's literally like glass. So now we're moving to the driver's side. And I'm going to try to take you guys through step by step. Now they actually know everything that we had to do to get through this. So I got my trusty old pal, Greaser Thoughts Garage, LLC. And fucking that guy. And we just are attempting the second time to do the rear corner windows. So this was a simple,
This
easy.
was way easier.
You get your door panel out.
There's that clip right there. So you see that clip right there? You simply pull it out and then you pop the window out of the channel.
That's the only thing pretty much holding it in place.
So-
that arm holds the whole glass, and the glass runs up the channels on the side.
So
Terrible design, by the way, Chevy, but yeah. So
here, let me pop it out right now.
I'll hold the light. The one good thing about this, pull the glass out. You got so much room to do this because this thing is basically just sitting in there anyways. But you can pull it inside through the car so you don't scratch up all your paint on the outside, and it's easy as that.
Then you gotta take this thing out.
So now, easiest way I found to remove this, because you're gonna need this for your new glass, depending if your glass came with it or not, is old trusty dusty channel locks. So all I did was flip it to this side, and I grabbed it like that, and he's using the channel locks reverse, but
I'm not a fucking pipe fitter, bro.
I can
I'm
tell.
a mechanic. Oh, you
Man,
do
he
it.
doesn't know how to do it, so I'm gonna let him hold the camera.
Yep. That's why they pay this guy?
With proper
No money.
with proper technique,
Oh my god.
things happen the right way, guys. Old plastic from the 70s, guys. Still looks good as new. Just be real careful, especially if you got new glass. You're maybe gonna scratch it doing it this way, but who cares, because your window isn't visible down here. So give it a nice little snug finish. Using this piece also, this goes along in this channel here, like this. I'm gonna show you guys where this piece gets installed. It's only one bolt.
Don't forget you gotta cut it too.
And I gotta trim this because it came a little too long. It's gonna be like a tough angle.
It'd be easier if you didn't have the back seat.
Let me see. There's a bolt right there. So you take that bolt out, and then this whole rail will come out. You also have a few like self-tapper screws along the channel or whatnot, and then this just rips right out.
Let's put the little window trim in first on the sides and then put that in. Fuck you, Fred.
Yes, dude.
Yes, the other thing too is we have to trim the little side ones.
Which ones?
The one that goes along the
Oh
body.
yeah, just a little trim. Alright guys, there's a couple spots where screws go in, and I'm gonna do that later because I'm kind of in a time crunch and I need this done. So for now the window will just hold all this stuff together, but later it'll be easy. I roll down the window, pull this down, drill out the holes and whatnot, and then this will be mounted in nicely. And they're flat screws, so the window won't be affected by the glass. I mean, the glass will not be affected by them. I'm putting this molding / trim, whatever you want to call it, back onto the car. So you could tell which side goes to where by this little notch that it has here. So you can see how it's missing the curve here on the top versus the bottom. That little notch is to make up for this piece here. So you're gonna sit up against that basically. So that's how you know which one goes where. And then it has these little tabs that just sit in here and kind of just pop it into place. Like so. Boom, now it's in place. Anyways, here's the other piece, the corner piece. This also goes in a similar way, but this one actually has spots for you to put the bolts in, like we were saying.
Yes.
Muggles.
Yeah. There you go.
Then we got another piece of trim slash rail felt
It's a
that
window
gets
channel,
installed.
bitch. Come on.
Anyways,
Amateurs right here.
this piece also should get screwed in, and we're not doing that. So. These fucking windows are terrible, so I don't plan on opening them ever anyways. But
At some point, we'll fix it.
that'll do. This will do.
I'm just trying to understand how it took you guys 2 hours to do that other window, and over here it's taking like
Dude,
10
honestly,
minutes.
We have
I was
no
always afraid.
idea.
I was always afraid because these windows sucked.
Yeah.
That this was gonna be
Horrible.
the worst job to do.
I wish we'd
This
have done.
motherfucker here,
So-
the wing window, absolutely terrible. But there might be an easy way, and we're gonna try to explain it. Taylor did the other side, as you guys saw earlier in the video. I don't even know what we recorded that day.
Nothing.
There's too many clowns here, but we're gonna try to do what he explained, and if it works, it works. You wanna carefully fit this back into the rails. Once you get it in here, you're gonna basically line up that pin again to that arm, and then you pop that clip back on it.
Lord?
You see the little nipple?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so basically you're gonna lower this down in. Once you line up with that swing arm, you're gonna show them the clip.
There's the clip.
This little press on clip. Boom. Easy as that. Alright guys, once you get the door window installed, you're gonna wanna crank it all the way down, and you're gonna wanna loosen up all the bolts holding up the window track. So that's gonna allow you to lower this even more. Sit your wing window in. We gotta figure out what to do there too.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
let us get to that point,
But
and I'll
there's-
show you guys.
the thing-
Oh yes, that's very
look.
important too. So there's a stopper bracket underneath this.
That-
This is a little tab.
Cause that window what?
Track.
Rail? That window track is an X. It'll go down and it'll go up. Without the stopper, it'll go to the bottom. So
There's a stopper that's gonna stop your glass from going past that. You gotta remove that so the window could go even lower in your door. Because the lower it goes, the more room it allows for you to wiggle into the frame rails, the track,
plus
the
you
window
also
rails
have
on the door, and the wing window.
and the whole thing is you have to get there's a track on the window at the bottom. So you have to get it down enough where you're able to slide it in and out like when we took them out. So.
Yeah. Go in?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we got all the track bolts out. I just took them all out. And now the window's able to, oh, also that little bracket underneath. They're all 7/16 bolts. So I loosen it and now the windows, we're just holding it in place basically. So now you're gonna get your wing window, feed it through this. Is it this one? No, it's the next one. You're gonna feed it through here. Very carefully. Tricky part, you gotta get this glass to set in this channel and in the channel on this side of the door. So we're gonna need the light right now for Bethel.
Here. Well, guys, the windows are done. Right, Will?
Ow! Does it look good?
Yeah.